This is a Minleaf welder, turned out this afternoon in this plastic bag. Ordered it for Czechoslovakia, no damage on it. Ordered on the 17th of the 10th and it was delivered on the 22nd of the 10th. The 17th was a Saturday, so technically it only took four working days, which some of the reviews were saying it takes like 4 to 6 months to arrive, but here it is. Let's just have a look, see whether it's any good. Well, there's no plug on it, which ain't no big deal. Fuck me, that is small. Little Allen key. Spongy packagey stuff. User manual. Yeah. ZX7-250. Mrs. thought it was a small motorbike. Fresh out. Anyway, let's have a look. What's this say? Safety warning. On the process of welding and cutting, there will be possibly of injury, so please take protection. Load of bollocks, really. Right, I'll turn it off and then try and find some cable to connect this up, and we'll have a go with using it. Right, here we go. Found some old jump leads, stuck the ends on. I think that's 16mm DIN cable they call it. Plug, turn it on. Right, that's low as it goes, 23, take it to amps, 247, should be 250, don't know how accurate it is, but whatever. I don't know, just try it about there. Got a couple of rusty old bits of metal there. I'm not going to bother trying to clean it up. Let's just see how it goes. Stick the gloves on. Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go. Let's see how that goes. Right. Earth's on. This is a 2.5mm rod. Turn it up a bit more. Well, that seems alright for us. Well, I paid £32.98 and that was delivered as well from Czechoslovakia to England. So you can't really go wrong, can you? But, oh, these rods as well, they've got to be over 10-year-old and they're damp, so they're not the bestest. So I think for the money, yeah, it's alright. Oh, I was just going to say, is it going to turn off? Yeah, it does turn off. Yeah, there's people on there saying they're shit, they're crap and all the rest of it, but I mean, that looks alright. I mean, if you're professional, you ain't going to be buying something like this, but for messing around in the garage. It's all right. I don't know if you can see that. For more professional welding tips, find another channel. But yeah, like I say, there's people on there saying they take 6 months to turn up. I was expecting it to take a little longer, but 4 days, 4 working days, can't be bad. So there you go. The Minleaf welder, and like, you know, if you just want to fucking mend a gate or something, you just carry that out instead of this fucking great thing. And if you break it, it's just another one. Right, that's it. Cheers then.